In this video, I'm going to show you how to calculate percentage in Google Sheets. So as you can see in the sample spreadsheet, let's say that the scenario is we are analyzing a population statistics. We need to find the contribution of City of Manila's monthly population growth to the whole year-round population in percent value. So to do that, what we need to do first is to find out the decimal value of each month's contribution. Simply use this formula, equal sign. Then let's say we're going to do it first in cell C2 in here. Then divide, sum, then the range of the whole months. After getting the decimal value in here, simply do the same in the other months. And after getting all values in here, what we need to do is we need to translate this into percentage. So to do this, simply select and highlight the values. Then in here in the tools, as you can see, we have the here icon percent. This is format as percent tool. Simply click this. And now we have successfully calculated the percentage of each month's contribution to the whole year-round population. And that's about it. That's how to calculate percentage in Google Sheets. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out.